in this video, I'm going to show you how I make the salmon sandwich. I'm gonna make the sandwich with a bit of kale on top. So I'll first marinate the salmon and put it in the fridge. While it's in the fridge, I'll be doing a quick kale. So this is what I use to marinate the salmon. So I have black pepper, some cumin, paprika, parsley, some garlic, dill weed. I like dill weed a lot. It's very good for fish. Some ground ginger, and of course I love the mustard. Those who watch my videos know I always use the mustard. And I have some olive oil here and half lemon juice. This is fresh lemon. Fresh lemon, fresh. As you see me earlier, I took basil from my little garden and I will be using it to marinate. So I have everything together and I am gonna marinate. I already put everything together, so all I'm gonna do is do quick marinade. Looks like a lot, but it's not.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm done with the marination. Very nice. Before I cook it, I'm gonna cut it in pieces to represent. Now we're ready to prepare the kale. Organic kale. So with kale, I always take out the sticks out, you know. Take them out first. And then I cut it up in small pieces. Sometimes I don't. It's up to you. I'm gonna cut it up just in small pieces a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to make sure I have the garlic and the onion. I'm going to use this whole onion because I like onions. So I'm gonna use the onion, and here I will use my roasted garlic. So to be about, I'm gonna use this amount. Love garlic. So I guess we can call it 4 cloves of garlic. So that's what we're gonna work with. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Gonna put the onion. I'm going to let it cook and brown just a little bit. I'm going to add the garlic. My garlic, I roasted it as I showed you in my prior videos. Now I just love roasted garlic because it's already cooked and it's soft. Easy to peel and use. So I love it. So this is brown. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit. And I am now going to put the kale now. Ooh. Okay. I rinsed this kale and took out some water because there will be a little bit of water in there. But like I said, I don't want to overcook it. I don't want it too soft to cook it so it becomes too soft. So I just still love it crunchy. And I have it good. Since I don't have my oil infused with lemon, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon touch. Lots of garlic and onion. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, the kale is ready now. I'm gonna switch it off because I don't want to overcook it. So ready, looking good. Looking good. So that's all it is to it. Okay, starting to do the salmon now. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil just to kinda baste the pan because the salmon already has some oil. It has its own fat, so I'm gonna brown it and we'll be ready to eat. I'm ready to put it in here now. I'm gonna let it cook. I'll time it, brown it for 5 minutes, and then pan it and do it the other side. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit to low. I'm just gonna test to make sure there's no pink inside. So it's cooked, no longer pink. Yep, that's what we're talking about. Good stuff. So now we are ready to make the great sandwich with Gino's homemade bread. Exciting! And you have it right there. Looking good, ready to make that sandwich. They're ready to make that sandwich. Yeah. Check this out. Yep. I'm gonna put this first. And then here comes the beautiful salmon. Good stuff. I'll make it a pile. Pile it up so it can look good. Okay. And then a little bit of this too on top. And my beautiful bread this way, and there we have it.